Hi everyone, welcome back. I know I haven't posted a video lately, but I was organizing. As you can see, I got those shelves. One of them took a long time to get here. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new setup. Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to make a Colorado Bulldog. Super easy cocktail. It's pretty much a white Russian with cola. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you, as well as links to some of my products. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need vodka, kahlua, Coke, and cream. Alright, I'm gonna start by adding ice into a mixing glass. One ounce of kahlua. One ounce of vodka, one and a half ounce of cream, time to shake it. Now I'm gonna pour it into a glass. And I'm just gonna top it out with Coke. All right, let's give it a try. Cheers. I can definitely taste the coffee from the kahlua, and mixed with the Coke, somehow it tastes really good. A little bit creamy and bubbly. I'll give it 9.3 out of 10. And that's how you make the Colorado Bulldog. Alright, if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!